Here we've got Xiaomi 12 Lite, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate battery percentage and status bar. So as you can see, actually you can barely see it, however, here we've got 72%, so we've got it active. If you would like to hide it, just open the settings, then find and select all notifications and control center, and here go to status bar. Now you will notice battery indicator, so smoothly mark it, and now you can customize it however you like. So you can activate graphic icon only, you can pick the current level right next to the battery indicator or inside battery indicator. And this is it, that will be all, so you can manage battery percentage and status bar. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.